Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This sharp 32-inch LED TV, its backlight is on, but there is no display. Let's see what's wrong here. Now I opened this circuit. DC voltage, common at chassis, 12 volt, good. Pin number 10, 0 volt, power on, 3.3 volt, good. LED backlight turned on, power off, 3.3 volt, down, LED backlight off. That means our backlight circuit, power supply, it's good. 12 volt not reaching here. At panel, here must be 12 volt. Volt not available. We need to check main board. These 12 volt are coming from this point. 1, 2, 3. From the main board, pin number 28, 29, 30, 31. It is 12 volt VCC for panel. Q3801. It is transistor for switching this 12 volt that are coming from power connector. Pin number 1, 2, 3. This power connector, pin 1, 2, 3. These voltage are coming at this capacitor, this point, this point. This capacitor, after this capacitor there is one resistor, fuse resistor, jumper resistor, this transistor, then this voltage will reach here at this pin, this one. When we power on, power off, here must be 12 volt. That means problem in this board. This point, these 4 points, this line is reaching here under this IC, then it will reach transistor is good. There is something wrong here in this portion. We can see yes, we can see from this point to this point this track is good. From here to this resistor, continuity missing. Now I connected jumper directly from this connector 12 volts to this resistor, and now we will check voltage on actually there is another disconnection. From this point these voltage must reach here, at this point, that is this connection here. It must reach at this collector. This point. Yes, here is also track damaged. We have continuity until here. There is no continuity from this point to the collector. Yes, 12 volt. Yes, 12 volt. Power off. 0.6. Power on. 12 volt. Yes, that's good. Yes, we have display now. Problem was in this area that from here 12 volt were not reaching at this point, so I made jumper here. Then from this point to this point there was disconnection. So this was the problem in this circuit. Now our circuit started working normally. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.